The largest position I have right now, I don't talk much about my current portfolio, but the largest position we have is Micron Technology. It's in the memory business. And for the longest time, the memory business for decades was a terrible business. Boom and bust, too many players, someone innovates, cuts their cost in half. Now all your inventory is, the price of your inventory is above the selling price, and you're losing money while they're making money hands over fist till you catch up. And maybe you can catch up or maybe you don't. And it was all of that going on, Moore's law, and prices declining, till we hit a point where we were left with three players. And we got left with, I think, three rational players. And the game changed. Now, everyone saw that there were three players, but they had so much history and pain from the decades in the memory business that they refused to believe that anything was going to be different. And my thesis about 3-4 years ago was it's completely different. And so the thing is that if you look at a Amazon data center, and if it costs them, 200 million or 100 million to put that up, about 30% of that is going to the memory guys.
Wow.
So it's a tax on all the streaming, all the e-commerce, all the shopping, on everything. 30% tax. I'm sitting collecting the tax.
Hello and welcome to the Capital Allocation channel. So today I want to share with you a stock that may be worth looking at for your personal watch list. This stock is held by Dalal Street, an investment fund managed by the famous Buffett disciple Pabrai. So if you look at his portfolio, this is 99% of his portfolio, and that is Micron Technologies. Previously at 78%, so he's holding on to this stock at the moment. When someone this intelligent with this good of a track record has the confidence to put Micron as his only holding, I find that very, very interesting. In addition, another famous Buffett disciple, that is Li Lu, who manages Himalaya Capital Management, has Micron at his top holding at just about 40%. And again, the confidence during the previous pullback to not sell any of his positions. Here, almost $1 billion in this position, 893 million. So let's go ahead and look at the chart of this stock. Over the long term, this thing has really managed to make solid gains. Up here, a nice perfect double top and a recent pullback into an area of support here. If you look at the 5-year chart, again pulling back to an area of support, still however in a downtrend. So I'm not saying this is a good time to buy. I'm saying, and obviously none of this, I never give investment advice on this channel, so this is just something to look at for your own portfolio, for your watch list, for you to look further into and potentially wait for a reversal on this chart. So to look at the fundamentals, again, ticker symbol MU here at $58.44 per share. We've got a price to book of 1.88, price to earnings just around a PE of 7, so that is relatively cheap, especially for a tech stock. Current ratio very good, well capitalized, decent return on equity, and low debt. So again, Micron here, as Pabrai said, is one of the top 3 competitors in the memory game. If in the long term you expect more technology, more AI, more all of this will require memory, big data. It's all going to require tons and tons of memory. So an interesting prospect for the long term. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you hold this stock? Are you planning on buying this? Again, even with the tech stock, it has a small dividend, so I always like to see dividends in the stocks that I prefer to hold. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. If this is helpful, smash that like, leave a comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.